Good morning. It's Monday, December the 17th, and I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kandakos. I'm filling in for your regular host, George Cholas, who, as we speak, is on his way back from Dallas, Texas, after watching the Dallas Cowboys lose to the Philadelphia Eagles. Tony Romo, where were you? Jessica Simpson could have thrown better than you did. But enough with that. I've got 6 great press releases for you, and this is coming from AGORACOM TV, which is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show, bringing you the best press releases before the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Well, I've got 4 from Canada and 2 from the U.S. We'll start with iWeb, which reports fiscal 2007 year-end results. It trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol iWB. We got some very impressive results for you. Revenues and net profits continue to increase. I'll read some stats for you so you can get a better idea of the picture. And they've got revenues of $9.8 million, which is a 71% increase over fiscal 06. They've got a gross profit margin of 57% compared to 54% in fiscal 06. They've got adjusted EBITDA of $2.8 million compared to $1.5 million in fiscal 06, and their earnings before income tax of $0.9 million compared to $0.7 million in fiscal 2006. So it looks like they're on their way up, upward trend, so it's always good to get onto companies as they're on their upward trend. What the company does, they're a worldwide internet hosting infrastructure provider. They're last at $1.25 off their 52-week high of $1.86. Next one I have for you is Los Andes Copper, which trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol LA. We got some pretty good results coming out from them today, as they've intersected 353 meters grading 0.59% copper and an additional 66 meters grading 0.95% copper equivalent at their Vizcachitas copper moly project. Now, I don't know if I said that correctly, Vizcachitas copper moly project. They announced results from the 5 holes of the Phase 2 drilling program at their project in Chile. And the Vizcachitas project offers potential for a low-strip, open-pit operation in an area of low elevation with excellent infrastructure, including water and power in central Chile. They're last at 57 cents, and they're offer a 52-week high of 90 cents. Next one I have for you, Consolidated Spire, trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol CZS. Consolidated Spire Ventures drills 1.33 meters with 12.2 grams per ton of gold and 24.3 grams per ton of silver at their PV property. So pretty good results there. This is the last hole completed in the Discovery's South Zone. And the geological data indicates the company has discovered a low-grade gold bulk mineable target of considerable size that may range between 500,000 to 6 million ounces of gold. So obviously, very interesting story. This is one you should probably keep an eye on because it's just in the early stages. They're last at 19 cents off their 52-week high of 33 cents. Next one I have for you, Tyhee Development Corp. Trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol TDC. They've reported additional results from the Nicholas Lake diamond drill holes. And what we see, an additional 25 diamond drill holes were drilled in the Nicholas Lake main zone. Pretty good results here. They've got 6.9 grams of gold per ton over 31 meters, and a pretty good result here, 49 grams per ton over 3.5 meters. So very concentrated over a not bad size or not bad intersect of 3.5 meters. The company's principal focus is on the development of its Yellowknife Gold project, and the Yellowknife Gold project consists of 6,600 hectares of mining leases located 90 kilometers north of Yellowknife. They're last at 55 cents off their 52-week high of 82 cents. Now, I've got a couple U.S. ones for you on the OTC BB. They're called CarBiz. Disclaimer time, CarBiz is an AGORACOM client. They trade under the symbol CBZFF. Now, what CarBiz is doing, they're launching into a new model, or not a new model, they're expanding upon their existing old model, where they've got a new superstore which expects to generate sales volumes 8 times of that of their existing stores. So it looks like what they're doing is moving to the big box stores, just like all the other big retails have been doing in the past little while. Their first store is going to be opened in Houston, Texas next month, and their overall unit sales are expected to be up to 4 times that of a typical CarBiz store. Contract terms are expected to be up to 4 years, which will further enhance the company's revenue position by maintaining a customer longer and exposing them to alternative financial services such as payday loans and check cashing. The Houston market is a prime demographic for CarBiz, with 60% of all car buyers needing some form of subprime financing. CarBiz is last at 25 cents off their 52-week high of 41 cents. Next one I have for you is Greenman Technologies, trades on the OTC BB under the symbol GMTI. Greenman Technologies reports their fourth quarter and year-ending results September 30th, 2007. This was their first profitable year since 2002 with solid fourth quarter performance and their second consecutive profitable quarter. So obviously this is very important. Second consecutive profitable quarter. Keep an eye on these guys, see if they can continue to do such. As such, their net sales from continuing operations for the fiscal year ended September 30th, 2007 increased $2.5 million or 15% to $20 million as compared to $17.6 million for the fiscal year ended September 30th, 2006. The company's net income for the fiscal year ended September 30th, 2007 was $313,000 versus a loss of $3.7 million. So obviously this is very big news. They've turned the corner. Looks like they've had their first profitable quarter, their second profitable quarter in a row. So these are the companies that you want to jump on. Big revenues, finally turned the quarter from a loss to a positive quarter, and two in a row for that matter. They're last at 42 cents off their 52-week high of 55 cents. Now, Greenman Technologies is a leading recycler of over 12 million scrap tires per year in the United States. The other significant thing about this company is that they're in the right industry at the right time. Green power, alternative energy, anything that's environmentally friendly is what investors want, and that's what I think is going to be big in 2008, so you might want to take a very good look at this company. And that's all I have for you today. I'm Paul Kondakos, your host for AGORACOM. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. We've got another bunch of great press releases for you.